Back at it again with another little video. You already know, it's your boy Kubo, Barrio Builds. Nah, just kidding. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the K5 Kia. Alright, let's get it. We got that STP full synthetic oil, OW20 air filter, and the actual oil filter. These are the part numbers. Get you right. Alright, these are the parts where you're gonna be working at, is this and that. You're gonna need to pop these off. I'm using this handy dandy tool as well. You're gonna be doing the same thing for these, and then taking off these nuts right here, 1 and 2. Alright guys, and get out of the car and check it out. Make sure you guys have everything ejected up from that point, and the one over there I'll put jack stands just to be safe. But now we're on the part where we took off the cap. Those are the little bolts right here, like little nuts. Took off the other ones from here. They're right there. And now you just need a 10mm to take that one off and that one over there. Then you're gonna need this 24mm socket for this bad boy right here to twist it off. As well, make sure that when you're taking this off, you first take off the pin on the side of this before turning it, or else you're gonna snap it. So you gotta take this pin off first, just pop it off from this side going that way, and then twist this, and you're gonna come out. Then you guys are gonna need a 17mm for the actual oil drain side to take this part off right there. Let's get it. I obviously lefty loosey, righty tighty, break it off. And there it is. All that hot oil. Alright guys, for this part, like I said, make sure you pop off that pin right here. Take it out. Boom. There it is. Get you some needle nose pliers. You're gonna turn this as well. More's gonna come out from the actual filter right here. Then at that point you just twist this thing off with the big bad over here, 24mm. It's gonna come right off. Alrighty. Ayudante.
No, pues.
Now, but right here, you got the old filter right here, and then the new one right here. When you're putting this together, make sure you rub a little bit of oil on this to put it on as well, to lubricate it, to put it back on here. Alright guys, after, make sure everything's nice and clean. Leave everything nice Everything clipped back together. You're good to go. Last step is fill it up. Lastly, for the air filter, that's gonna be right here. Pull down the left latch and the right. It's gonna come straight out. Nice. I'm gonna put that new one in. For the new one, make sure you securely shove it all the way in and do the reverse process. Flip these switches back up and that'll allow for you to get locked, and it's good to go. Alright, you make sure you hit this button right here, right there. You make sure you go all the way to that setting right there where it says OK. You hold it down and it'll pop up, take you over here. You go to convenience, down, service interval, and then this reset. And that's going to reset your oil percentage and duration for your next oil change. And everything's going to be good to go. Alright guys, well, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for the support. Barrio Builds. Next time, catch you again.